Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, my icon is now blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and access Location section. Then manage location thanks to this switcher next to Location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!